Hi guys, on Amazon I bought 2 blank books with hard covers, and I have illustrated my own Captain Underpants book, 13th and 14th. I haven't made the 15th yet. It's me, Bryce, Captain Underpants, and Dogman, now in full color. The 13th epic novel by Dave Kinkley. Then we've got plenty of pages. Yes, pretty good. And then we've got, I haven't fully colored it yet, good enough yet. Well, it brings the pot, it has the potty people. They use the Professor Poopy Pants to rub out the potty people a little bit. Yeah. Oh, there's the Flip-O-Rilla. You know what to do. Flip it, don't rip it. Then we've got this Crushed Captain. Yeah. Captain Underpants was crushed. Then, yeah, then we got this. We got plenty of helmet draws on, not really many characters, and we got the Here You Go Again page. Now here we go again. We got the back bonus helmet draw featuring Flip-O-Rilla. Then the unofficial colored one, Captain by Bryce, Captain Underpants, and Dogman. Now I haven't wrote full color yet. Now this one gets more. And George and Harold become superheroes in this one. Professor Poopy Pants is back. Well, he's not going to be in there much. You only see him a little. Okay, more superpowers in full color. It's really hard to see this. What's wrong with my camera? The blockbusters are back in full color. More superpowers in full color. Yeah, and Captain Underpants is obviously hurt really bad. But I haven't done the third one yet, but I'm thinking of one where they go time traveling back in time, back to when Captain Underpants was first hypnotized. And I want to see Jordan, the future George and Harold, the future George and Harold trying to stop the hypnotizing. But now you think of it, a lot of bad stuff would happen. So it's gonna be pretty hard choice in the timeline. Should I or should I not? Yeah. I'm like. As a thing, I love how like it's like on coloring pencils, and then like the crayon just kind of like changes the mixture on Harold. Yeah, but that's about. Well, I have my color pencil pack right here. Well, I have some doodling pages. I haven't really wrote it that much. Where is it? Okay, that sketch pad. Then we got our colored pencils. Then I also have two skin colored Dogman. They're flash colors. I got a Dogman plushie right here. I'm getting the Captain Underpants movie, Georgia Harold, and Professor Poopy Pants. I'm gonna find any Captain Underpants plushie for my videos. I haven't really started my YouTube channel that much, but yeah, I'm going this is just the beginning. I'm making a huge YouTube channel like SML. Like more family friendly. Woof woof woof. It's not like a PD, but it looks like a PD I have. Yeah. here I am in my basement, just hanging out, drawing books. Oh, I also have a pen. I do it with pen instead of pencil. Sometimes I mess something up, the pen's really weird, and I accidentally just did a scribble like that on it, and I had to just make the storyline with George. Harold grew a tail, but in this one, they're gonna get rid of it. But this new one's pretty good. Yeah, there you go. My camera settings are so weird right now. Yeah, the best part is how, they're getting mutated. You're in for it, said George, pulling up his sleeves. Then you got this picture with him actually pulling it up. The more the merrier, said Potty Harold, pushing George into the tank. Yeah, and this one I actually add myself in. Yeah. Well, see you folks down the warp pipe. Break my feet!